Just because. A house doesn't make a home. Stories aren't always true. And just because I can't be seen doesn't mean I don't love you. A simple look can make you laugh, yet bring another one to tears. Some people live for just a day, others many years. A single word released on time can both heal and harm. And just because the sun is shining doesn't mean it's warm. One lone rose smells oh so grand, but can prick you just the same. And just because one smiles and nods doesn't mean they're in your game. Change is good. No, change is bad. The customer's always right. And just because time heals most wounds, it will also surely tell. Sleep and rest are different things, just like food and water. And when you find a true companion, consider them a treasure. A heart will beat inside a chest, regardless of its brokenness. And feet will find a way to dance in spite of loneliness. So if these words may reach your ears and penetrate your heart, please look beyond this life's facade and seek to do your part.